Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see your password of your TikTok account. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on your TikTok app. You have to open up your TikTok app. Okay, just like this. Then what you need to do, you have to go to your profile. You have to click on this. After going to your profile, what you have to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner, just like this. Then you have to click on settings and privacy option in the last option. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, what you need to do, you have to click on your account. Then what you have to do, you have to click on password. So then the TikTok application will send you a email, a OTP on your email address. Then you have to put it here. So what if you don't want to do this? What if you don't remember your email ID or email address? So what you need to do to find the password, you have to click on settings. Then you have to scroll all the way down and click on Google. You have to find a Google. You have to click on Google. Then what you need to do, you have to click on manage your Google account. You have to find the option called this manage your Google account. Then you have to click on it. After landing on this page, what you have to do, you have to click on security option, just like this. You click on this. After that, you have to scroll all the way down again. Okay, after scrolling all the way down, you will find the option called password manager. You have to click on this one. Then after that, you have to scroll down and find the TikTok application, just like this, tiktok.com. You have to click on TikTok. Then you have to just pretty much put your password or fingerprint, just like this. Then they will show you account and your password. You can pretty much copy your password from this. Otherwise, if you wanna see this, you have to click on this I button. I'm not gonna do it. You can click on it and see your password. So this is how you can find your TikTok ID password on your mobile phone. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.